Hey YouTube, today we're going to start on the deck lighting project, and what we're going to do is drill holes in these post caps, 32 millimeter holes, and I've got these 32 millimeter lights, two different styles. This style over here is RGB, and I like it better because it is RGB, plus it's flat. So with the RGB, you can adjust the color. I'll probably end up using the white color, but you can adjust the color to just about any color you want with this infrared remote. And you can make them flash between colors, do all kinds of things. And the other kind of light I bought is this one. It's also 32 millimeter, but it protrudes out a little bit, which might not be bad on a deck cap. It might not look as good if I put it in the wood. But these were only $1.30 a piece, whereas these were $7.50 a piece, but it did come with the controller and transformer when I got 20 of them. 20 of them with the controller and transformer was $150. But these are brighter. Let me turn the light off. These have 6 LEDs in them. And I don't know if you can tell, but they're at least twice as bright as these in the white mode. These have 3 LEDs. So what I also got was I got enough post caps to do the job, and I got a 32 millimeter drill that was about $9.69, and I got a 32 millimeter punch for $16, depending on what's the easiest way to cut the hole in the post cap. And then I got the cables. These 10-foot cables were about $3.75 a piece, and I've got enough. They come in 4 packs, so I got enough to run between every post cap that I have. This is my post cap map and how many feet of wire I need in between each one. I mapped it out. So I guess step one is drill a hole in one of these post caps that I got on Amazon for about $5 a piece, 2.5-inch aluminum. They were cheaper than the original Keylink by about half. I have seen them less on other websites. And let's drill a hole and see what these 2 different lights look like installed. The cables are 4 wires, and here's the female connection. It's got an O-ring, and it's, you just plug it together and screw it on, so it's easy to install, and it should be watertight as well. And these lights, both of them, both styles, the RGB and the plain white, are supposed to be watertight as well for outdoor applications. So with the drill, I drilled a 32 millimeter hole in this, I don't know, 1/4-inch PVC. It's a test fit. These have flexible, the lights have flexible ears. And they fit nice and snug in there. So I'm happy with that. I'm going to go ahead and drill the post cap now. So I marked the post cap with some blue tape, center punch the center, put some tape around it so when I put it in the vise, It hopefully doesn't scratch it. And we'll go ahead and drill this guy out. This is the PVC I just drilled. It drilled through the aluminum just as easy as it did through the PVC. It was no problem at all. Okay, because the aluminum's not as thick as the PVC, the fit's a little loose. So I probably put a little silicone around it. Got this hot glue gun from the dollar store years ago. A bag of glue sticks. And I just put a couple of dabs of this hot glue on two sides just to anchor it in place. And once it dries, they're good and tight. And if I ever had to remove them, I'd just take a razor blade and cut that little glue nodule off. All right, as I previously mentioned, I pre-drilled holes in the deck posts for the wires. And see it down in there. And I fish the wires through. And they come out the bottom here. Two wires, one coming from the previous one going to the next light. And now the next job is to tack all these wires up neatly under the deck. All right, I ran a 110 volt line from the basement to this box, and on the inside it's on the load side of a GFCI receptacle. So this is GFCI protected. This is a waterproof box with a hinged lid. So I've got the 110 coming in to the transformer to the LED lighting control, and then the lighting control out up to the first LED light on the deck, and then that light goes to the next light, to the next light, to the next light.